The Pagani Utopia is Horatio Pagani's latest masterpiece, a fusion of art and engineering. Beneath its sculpted carbon fiber skin lies a hand-built 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 from Mercedes-AMG, pushing out 852 horsepower with raw fury. Unlike the hybrids of today, Utopia stays pure. No batteries, no gimmicks, just raw combustion power. Every detail, from its bronze-finished gears to its minimalist interior, is designed with timeless elegance. Only 99 will ever exist, making it rarer than rare. A hypercar that isn't chasing numbers, but chasing perfection. The Pagani Utopia isn't just driven, it's experienced.
Drop a comment on what supercar I should do next,